Welcome back everyone to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala. Today we are going to solve the problem statement equal elements which was in the starters 80. So according to the problem statement, we are initially given an array of size n and in one operation we can choose two indices I and j and set ai equals to aj. We have to find the minimum number of operations required to make all the elements of the array equal. In the input format, we have to declare t for the number of test cases. The first line should be n, the size of the array, and the respective array of the size n. For the output format, we have to declare the minimum number of operations required to make all the elements of the array equal. The constraints are as following. T should lie between 1 to 1000, n should lie between 1 to 2 to into 10 to the power 5, and ai should be between 1 to n. Okay, so according to the problem statement, we'll consider the example 2231 and consider the possibilities according to the problem. For the first possibility, let us see if we take the number 3. Okay, so I'm trying to make all the elements of my array 3. So what will be my first operation? I'll try to make this 2, 3. So according to the first operation, it will be 2, 3, 3 and 1. The count will be 1 here. For the next operation, I'll try to make this 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, 1. The count will be 2 here. And in the last operation, I'll try to make this 1, 3. So it will be 3, 3, 3 and 3. The count will be 3. Okay, in the next time, I'll just try to make all the elements 2 according to this 2. Okay, so I'll try to make this 3, 2. So it will be 2, 2, 2 and 1. The count will be 1. And in the next time, it will be 2, 2, 2 and 2. The count will be 2. So the minimum of 3 and 2 is obviously 2. So the logic here is that if I find the element which is reoccurring the most in the array, then I can make all the elements equal to that element, and that will be the minimum operation. For that, I'll be declaring a map. So the code for the following solution is I'll be declaring a map of int and int m, and I'll be iterating the map through the whole array, and I'll be claiming to find the frequency of the map. That will be mx plus x. And then I'll find the maximum of all the frequencies. Like if 2 is occurring 2 times, imagine if the array will be 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1. So I want to find the maximum frequency of any element occurring in that array. So the frequency for that case will be 3. So I'll use the max operator and find the maximum frequency in that array. So the base case will be what if the maximum frequency is the size of the array. What if the array is 2, 2, 2 and 2? The output will be 0. That I don't need to do any operations. All the elements of the array is already equal. In any other case, I have to do n minus n. Like we saw in our examples. In this case, I had the maximum frequency equal to 2. So the answer will be n, which is 4, minus 2, which is 2, which is the answer of our solution. So I have done cout n minus answer, and that is the code for which is required for the solution.